Hello, my name is Colt, and this is an app that helps you decide what TV show you should watch. There is a variety of inputs in the app, and I will show you how to use those in a second, but I need to show you the app functionality first. So, to start off, we set the variables that the code will use, such as name choice, genre choice, and time. And then there is on events that will run the update screen function each time you interact with each of these interactable parts. Now, the update screen function that is used is below here. And in the function, we update the variables so that you get the text when you input your name, when you select the genre choice, and when you input the watch time that you have allotted in minutes. That's important. Now, the purpose of this function is kind of like to update the screen each time that the user inputs new values in these sections, either the name, genre, or the amount of time, and it uses the code through using if statements that allow the code to check how much time is allotted and just kind of find the combination between the time and the genre that allows for what TV show that they should watch. So a bunch of if statements involving a certain amount of time here. For genre, can be The Crown, but if there's even more time than that, it can be Downton Abbey, and so on and so forth. I will show you that in the output section. And then at the end here, in case the user does not select any enough of the inputs, then it won't print anything. It kind of just waits for you to put in enough. And also, if you don't have, if you have less than 30 minutes, then you don't have enough time to watch anything. So you get to put in more time than that. And so I'll just show you kind of how it works now. So you can input your name, and your name can be anything, such as John Smith, and then you can choose a genre. So just to start off, we'll do drama for 20 minutes, but you can't really watch anything for 20 minutes. That's just not enough time. You got to put more time in. So say I have 90 minutes. Looks like I can watch some of The Crown, but let's say I have like 3 hours, and then I can binge watch some Downton Abbey. And so this kind of goes on and so forth. So if I had a cartoon, I want to watch that, and I have 30 minutes. It says I can watch some Family Guy, but if I have I don't know 200 minutes, then that's enough time to binge watch The Simpsons. Just to kind of like lie down, chillax, and watch The Simpsons. And this just keeps going. If you want to binge watch Community for 200 minutes, or for just 45 minutes, you can watch like a couple episodes of Arrested Development. And the documentary is kind of like, we can watch some of David Attenborough's A Life on Our Planet, kind of just about him. Or you just have, I don't know, like you have a heck of a lot of time. You could be really invested into this one documentary called Return to Space, and this keeps working again. So this superhero in the Flash, and so every time the output is updated in this box right here, but you only have 3 minutes, it doesn't work, you don't have enough values, nothing will be printed, and so on and so forth. And so for 30 minutes, WandaVision. So that's basically how this app works, and how the functionality works, just using all of these if-else statements and else-if statements, so that the code can figure out just like the combination of what you want to watch, and based on the two variables, genre and time. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and that is What TV Show Should I Watch by me, Colt Simpson.